Namaste students, how are you? I hope you all are good and safe at home. I am also good here. So today we are going to see the second paragraph and third paragraph of this lesson. Okay, the best Christmas present in the world. So in that we are going to see these two things aloud. First one, the letter secret, and another one, how the author changed his mind. These are all the two things that we are going to see. So here is the roll top desk. The author has opened it. He found a secret thing. There was a small black tin box. Inside that there was something written on it. At first he hesitated to open it. But later, with much curiosity, he opened the small tin box. He opened the letter and started to read. This was the thing which had happened in these two paragraphs. So here, let us go with the text, what had happened.
I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. Here, I refers to the author. He removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. And the veneer, here it means a thin layer of plastic or decorative wood on furniture of cheap wood. For example, if we have dining table at our home, it will be decorated in a well manner. Okay, so here the roll top desk, it has been completely decorated, but due to water accident or fire accident, the layer it had been lifted almost everywhere. So he wanted to work on it. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. So the author, he came to a decision that this damage had happened due to fire and water accident like that. So can you see the picture, children, how the author is opening the desk? The first two drawers he opened very easily, whereas the third drawer, it was so tight and he shut it fast and he gave brute force on it. Then only he opened it gently. So in the third, he used his brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawer. So he gave his brute force. He had his fist on the roll top and then he opened the third drawer. So here stuck fast means shut tight. Stuck fast, shut tight. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. So the author found something is secret over there. He found a small black tin box. So can you identify the small tin box, children? Yes. Here is the small black tin box. Cello taped on the top of it was a piece of lined notepaper and written on it in shaky handwriting. So the small tin box, it was cello taped in the top and there was a piece of lined notepaper which was in a shaky handwriting, and the thing has been written like this. Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915, to be buried with me when the time comes. This was the thing which has been written on the notepaper. Okay, who said this, children? Yes, Connie Macpherson only told these words. Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915. The date she received the letter, and it has to be buried. When she died, this has to be buried when the time comes, like that. She wrote on the small tin box. I knew as I did that it was wrong of me to open the box. So the author, he told that it was something wrong to open that, because to open someone's letter, it is very bad. It may be a secret one. That's why he felt guilty in his heart, but curiosity makes him to open the letter. So here, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. So curiosity made him to open the letter. Here scruples means feelings that make you hesitate to do something wrong. Okay, so the feeling which makes him to do something wrong. Okay, at first he hesitated to open the letter, but what happened? Curiosity makes him to open the letter and he wanted to know what is there. So inside the box there was an envelope. The address read Mrs. Jim Macpherson, 12 Copper Beeches, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil, dated at the top, December 26, 1914. So a small tin box he found. There was an envelope. There was an address. So here Mrs. Jim Macpherson, 12 Copper Beeches. This is the address, children. That is on the top of it. And he took out the letter from the box. He unfolded it. And then he saw that the handwriting was written in pencil. And there was a date on the top, December 26, 1914. Okay, children. I have given worksheet on these two paragraphs. Do it well, read the paragraphs properly, and we will have the assessment at the end of our class. Thank you, children. Be safe, stay safe, and maintain social distance. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.